It's amazing. Oh my god. It's like a dessert khachapuri. Good afternoon, everyone. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere, coming at you from beautiful Brooklyn. I'm here with my friend Marina from the Ukraine, and today what are we doing?
We are eating very delicious khachapuri. It's a Georgian national cuisine, and I haven't been in Georgia for quite a bit of time, and I cannot wait to eat.
So I was in Georgia like 3 months ago. I traveled the whole country. I ate khachapuri every single day, and that's what they do here. Cheese boats, right? So it's bread, cheese, egg. They have like 30 different variations. At any given time, there's 10, like it's seasonal, right? Then they have what else? Khinkali.
Khinkali, yes, wine, Georgian wine. Oh my God.
And then pork dishes, obviously.
Pork dishes, yes. I walked yesterday, so yes. Let's do that. That's it.
All right, let's go inside. It's right here. So that's it. And if you guys don't know, if you've ever eaten a khachapuri, you will get really full. It's like the Georgian pizza.
Half of it even, I guess, already you're full. Not the full parts, I guess.
Alright guys, so we just entered Cheeseboat Restaurant. As you can see, it's like really rustic, nice tables, beautiful setting. They got lots of wine. If you guys didn't know, Georgia is famous for their wine, and they give us the best bottle. And this is like, I think it's, from Caucasus Region, so that's the wine region, the most famous region. It's the amber wine, and this is made...
I've been there.
Yeah?
Most likely.
Yeah, it's so basically they're made in cueveris, which are the clay pots, right? That's why the color is the way it is. It's an 8,000-year-old tradition. They say they invented wine.
All right. That's fine with me.
That's fine. Hey, for me, I love it. See, the problem in Georgia is you're gonna drink a lot.
Okay, let's drink a lot.
Let's drink a lot. Let's drink a lot. Oh, it's good.
Oh wow. That's so different taste.
Taste? I know, but that's the clay pot.
Oh my God.
So they put everything, the seeds, the juice.
I feel I'm drunk already.
Already? No way. Oh, what do we have here?
Dumpling.
Oh, okay. So this is khinkali, right? Yeah. And also in Ukraine it's a vareniki, right? Similar, not the same. Here we have khinkali, soup dumplings, right? So they boil them. Inside there's beef, and the way it works is supposed to grab it from here, flip it like this, and then make a little hole, and then.
God.
I'm serious.
All right, let me do that.
Try it, try it.
Okay, wait. So you take it.
Then flip it up, yeah, and then make a little hole, and then from there you just suck.
I'm so happy my mom, she doesn't understand English.
Oh, it's good, right? Oh, I love the taste. The dough.
Oh my God.
Some nice spice in there.
It's really good.
Oh wow, that's like almost like a...
I don't know, if that's spicy a lot?
No, this one, no. It's almost like I would say like an Indian like mint chutney. Similar style, right?
Oh my God.
Oh, it's so good. Whoa. I like it.
It's a food orgasm day. It's like 10 at once, 10 in a row.
Yeah.
That's good.
And at the end, you leave this right there. The only problem is when you eat khinkali and khachapuri, you just get really full. It's like, it's straight dough.
I think even if you look at food, Georgian food, you get it full. Only by looking, you're full. That's it. Oh, I'm jealous to myself.
It's good though, right? For me, the closest thing to this is xiaolongbao in Shanghai, like soup dumpling. No? Oh, you love it. But this, basically all this came from Silk Road, right? Same thing in Ukraine with vareniki. Dumplings came from Silk Road.
I like this.
I love it.
This is the best.
It's crazy good. So it's like nice and minty.
A little bit spicy.
A little bit. See, in Ukraine, I didn't get that much spice. In Georgia, some more.
In Ukraine, no spicy at all.
No spicy at all. Done. Oh, it's a big bite. Awesome. Hey, it's delicious. Love it, love it.
Oh, so good.
I think I have to finish the last one.
Yes, you can do that.
Hey David, here's some cha-cha.
Now I'm in the back with Mama Cheeseboat, the mama. She's
Yes.
showing me how she makes some ajaran boat-shaped khachapuris. And these are a little smaller than the ones I've seen in Georgia. Just a little smaller, they're for one person, right? And then you put the egg on top at the end?
Yes.
Awesome. I love it. So cheese and bread all day. Khachapuri. Good wine, good people, incredible food.
Good city.
New York City is the best. All right, we are about to jump on. This is the original ajaran khachapuri, boat shape. So what is it? Bread. They make it into a boat shape. The reason for that is because back in the day, the guys leaving Batumi were going out into the Black Sea, and their wives would basically make a boat, like they're coming back, type of thing. So then, you know, they hollow it out, they fill it up with cheese, a lot of cheese in there, lots of butter, as you can see, and then right here.
I love cheese. Cheese is.
And right here they
Let's
put.
not start.
Yeah, so they put egg yolk. They don't just put an egg, just the egg yolk, and that makes it all creamier. So how does this work? Well, watch this. Like this.
Oh no, no.
Yeah, no, you have to do this. This is how it works. So just mix it in. This really is the best. Oh wow. Yes, yes. Look at that. So you're supposed to mix it all, and obviously get it while it's still really, really scorching hot. If not, it becomes a little harder, right?
Yay.
But look at this. Look at this beauty.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So we can do it like that. You can easily just go like this, but this is the way they
Going
taught me. You get this,
Oh yay.
and then you go and you dip.
Okay.
All right?
Let's dip it.
Let's dip it. So just like that. That's why I love Ukrainians. They're crazy. Look at mine compared to yours.
Oh come on. The
Oh, it's
experience
too much.
one. What you wanna tell me?
Oh, and that sauce? Yeah, yeah. Let's get it. Oh, I love this. This is such a good sauce.
That goes
Nice
with
and herbal.
everything. Now I'm addicted. That's
Yeah,
addiction.
yeah. That's an addiction.
That's a new food addiction, guys. Oh wow. How can I sleep tonight?
This literally took me straight back to Batumi. Whoa.
Oh, I should fly. Oh, Georgia.
Georgia.
I love everything about Georgia.
So you've been, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. I traveled all over. Like it was an amazing trip.
Yeah, I'm sure. What a
Tbilisi
country.
is.
Tbilisi is
Kazbegi is so.
Because
The
Bag is
nature.
beautiful.
Wake up and you know what? Oh. Okay. What are you doing? Okay, it's all mine. He refused, guys. Have you seen that? That's all mine. That's it. That's it.
So this is the original. And this one I suggest everybody gets, right? But the next star is this one, which is with a honeycomb. Like, look at it.
Honey. Tomorrow is a fasting day.
I know. So Marina and me are talking about how addictive the cheese is. So if you don't want more bread, if you want more cheese, it's going like this.
Yes. Do I have some? Yeah, oh my god. Last piece of cheese.
And this is saguni cheese, which is like a type of mozzarella.
Mozzarella,
Oh, you know what? Sì, lo so. È troppo buono questo. And then here we got
God.
this beautiful.
And this
Whoa.
is just first out of 3 hachapuris and I'm getting.
That's the problem with khachapuri, bread and cheese. But you know what? Cheers. Cheers. Another good
And
little.
getting drunk.
No. Just like the other one, I'm gonna cut it. Oh, this one's gonna be like sweet though.
Oh my god.
What did they put in here?
What is this?
I don't know. What is this?
I mean, no in English.
Okay, let's do it. It's amazing. Oh my god. It's like a dessert khachapuri.
It is the weirdest taste, I guess.
But you know what? It's almost like a cinnamon bun. You know?
Kinda.
Kinda.
But it's sweet and it's cheesy, and at the same time it's meat, right?
Cheese, honey.
Cheese honey.
But there's one more thing here. Like a little flaky.
Oh my god. I'm an official in Khachapuri paradise if there is one.
This is what it is.
This is Khachapuri paradise. This is just...
You know, I'll tell you.
That's perfection. That's perfection.
Yeah, that is the ultimate khachapuri. I don't even know.
Done.
I know, and I'm done. I'm like, you know
Wow,
what?
you haven't... You
want to try one of these? Oh, you can't mix, right?
I can make.
You can't mix? So
I will just cha-cha with you.
cha-cha with me? So this is cha-cha.
Cha-cha with David.
This is Georgian grappa, basically. 50%.
Oh my god. It smells very strong.
So the way to do this is slow sips.
No shot?
I mean, you could, but then you're just like...
Oh, slipping like on khachapuri, or you become a khachapuri.
You become a khachapuri.
That's the way. Can I have this one? I want this one. I don't know if I can eat this one.
So they're gonna open their next location, Cheeseboat, in Hell's Kitchen. If you guys don't know what Hell's Kitchen is, watch the show Daredevil.
Oh, you've been there? Oh.
No, Daredevil. You know Daredevil? Marvel Comics?
Oh, this is... Alright.
He protects Hell's Kitchen.
Really good. He's keep doing that. Cheers, guys.
This girl's trying to make too many jokes here.
Me, the winner. He's not funny, I'm the one.
Oh my gosh. So what do we have here? Basically,
steak khachapuri. I've never seen
and
steak
mushrooms, right? Yeah, so what they try to do is they mix, you know, whatever's seasonal, whatever's available. She was saying they only get fresh ingredients, and this is one of the 10 they have available.
Okay.
Looks great. Looks like basically a steak with mushroom on top of a cheese bread.
Oh, there's more cheese inside.
Oh, it's always cheese.
Always cheese.
So get some of the mushrooms, right?
What the...
Nice mushroom. Get some of this beautiful steak. It's gonna be good.
How's that? Okay, so we don't even cut it. Oh my.
The honeycomb?
Yeah, this is just... It's the wine talk, seriously.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Cheers, cheers. Have you tried it?
Okay, I haven't yet. Boom! Let me try that.
Try it. Try it.
Did you do that?
No, I just used like this plum sauce they have here.
Oh, there is more?
A little bit of plum sauce.
That's it. Knock down, how do you say that?
It's completely different, right? So it's a lot more savory, right?
The taste is so, you know, I'm not so good at explaining food, you know.
Yeah, no problem. And then you also have right here, you have the mushrooms, and if you go deeper, you get all the cheese right there. Look at that.
Cheese.
Pull it. Yeah, right there.
Yes. Oh, it's amazing.
It is called a cheese boat, right? I'm gonna try it with the sauce, right? This sauce, it's like a minty chili.
You know what I think? Is that place is like casino. When you start eating, you don't understand. No time. You forget about anything. What time of the year, what the date is. You're just orgasmic. I'm sorry, guys. It is the truth.
Yeah. I think we need some more wine here.
That's what it is. Okay.
Yeah, no, I mean between the cheese, the bread, and the wine. Oh, I love Georgia.
Georgian food.
Oh, Georgian food is. I mean, obviously a lot of khachapuri, but the cool thing in Georgia is that every like region makes it differently. Like Marele, Magoria, the regular khachapuri, which is almost like a pizza. Oh, they're so good.
Oh my god.
I cannot do more of this because I won't be able to do the ribs here.
Here I am.
And right here we have pork ribs. Oh, with some like roasted pepper. You want to try one of these?
I can try a bit.
Look at this, huge.
How do you? I'm not sure. I'm not quite a pork eater. That's why for me it's.
Well, you've had ribs though, right? Yeah, just bite like this. Ready? Go in there. It's funny. She's not a pork eater, but in Ukraine, it's all you guys eat. It's good. Nice, like tomato sauce on top.
Yes, actually, this is good.
It's very nice.
This is good.
Nice, huge pork ribs. It actually reminded me a little bit of the Chinese style. but it doesn't have a glazed sauce.
Because of the sauce, I guess.
Because of sauce, right?
Alright, get back to the steak.
She just wants cheeseboat. That's all she wants. It's good. I'm enjoying this. Beautiful day, beautiful place. Here in Brooklyn, look, if you go outside, it's packed with people. It's night, lively. It's right now, what time is it, like 7:30? My thing died.
I just thought you don't know what time it is.
I don't know what time it is.
We don't know what time it is. We just know it's dark, that's it.
Wow. My friends, I am hitting a wall. No, I'm serious though. The cheese and the bread fills you up. It expands in your stomach.
I
you know?
prepared for that. I haven't eaten so.
Oh yeah, so I ate a lot of Indian food and pizzas today.
I knew that's gonna happen. So, sorry guys. Because I eat twice a day. But I was thinking it's too much food. One time I cannot eat.
No. I mean, the thing with this food is like, it's really filling between the khinkali and each person getting one of these. I know that's what fills you up though. The dough plus the cheese and the bread. If you eat one of these yourself, that's it.
Well, we don't even finish the bread though.
I know,
don't even eat the bread.
You're not supposed to finish the bread. It's too much.
It's too much. I don't know
how
but I
people
believe some
do it.
people do it.
Hey, in Georgia, people finish all this.
No,
and
I can't.
I've seen people finish the khinkali like 10. And I'm like,
my God.
I can't even have 3. 3 is like a lot.
Yes.
By the way, I gotta tell you though, this wine is insane.
Yes, it is.
So good. You know what? I'll treat you with this. Ready? I'm done. How about you? Done?
I'm done.
All right. So, if you guys ever are in New York, head out to Brooklyn. Come to the Cheeseboat Restaurant, Georgian cuisine.
You will not regret it. It's just.
Yeah, try their cheese boats. That's khachapuri. They have many different variations. Obviously, get the original, but I suggest the honeycomb. That is the best.
The best.
Khinkali, also soup dumpling, a must try. If you want to try pork ribs, definitely try them. The wine, get this bottle. So good, but you know what? I'm gonna finish it off with a cha-cha because this is my last stop, and I'm going to bed early.
This full stomach, amazing.
No, after 2 weeks in Georgia, you get used to it.
I actually been there 10 days too. Yeah.
Oh, it's a beautiful
right,
country.
I guess my mom that day she did not recognize me, I guess. That is it, that's the truth. That's not a joke.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content.
Subscribe.
Follow her.
Follow me.
Come visit this restaurant, and we'll see you in the next Travel Food
And
Adventure.
bon appetit.
I would have more, but whoa.
Oh my god. I can't imagine how you eat all the day.
No. I expanded right now.
I don't know. He has a secret. He's definitely, I don't know.
I'm a
Like,
food,
look at him.
I'm a food blogger.
A food blogger? Like, come on.